Hey everyone, my name is Anik. I'm from Bangladesh. So today I'm going to show you a kebab from Bangladesh. Usually we call it shish kebab, bihari kebab. It's very similar to it. So today I will do beef and chicken. We are using some spices from back home: salt, pepper. We use the chili pepper, also coriander for the beef. Also, we will use garam masala. It contains a lot of different spices. Some of them I don't even know the name of. I bought it from regular grocery market, which is like $4 or $5. And then we use garlic paste and ginger paste. I use a little bit of plain yogurt. And this is the papaya I was talking about. It was frozen. I used about 3 to 4 tablespoons of it. It acts as a meat tenderizer, so it melts in your mouth. This is the garam masala I was talking about. It contains so many different spices. So I'm gonna marinate this for about 1.5 hours to 2 hours. The longer you marinate, the better it is. I added oil roughly around like 4 to 5 tablespoons, since I will not use any oil during the other cooking process. And today I will show you a different way of doing barbecue in your house. It's kind of dangerous, but it's kind of fun too. So the marination is done. So this is chicken portion. Even the chicken and the beef, they're all bite-sized pieces. Similarly, this one I'm adding ginger and garlic paste. Remember, chicken, you don't need a meat tenderizer for papaya, but garlic and ginger acts as a meat tenderizer for chicken. Salt, pepper, and the garam masala goes in, and that's about it. And I did add a little oil. I'm gonna let this marinate for similar time as the beef. Then we'll come back and see how it is. Alright, I bought this from Michael's. It was crazy. Back home we use something not like this, but in the street they use something similar to it, and I'm addicted to barbecue, and we had some crazy stuff back home with the barbecue. So these are natural wood. I know the stove is a little dirty because I was trying to do some other stuff over there, but these are the coals. It takes so long to burn. These are natural coals, natural wood coals. So it took me roughly around like 20 minutes to at least get good flame. Let me see what I'm using like a air blower to just get some heat transferred to the other side. It did work out a little good, but then my wife helped, and then I was just making some adjustments, and it worked out great. So now I'm just putting these meats in the sheikh, which is called shish kebab. That's why it's called shish kebab. I'm putting about 6 to 8 of them in there. This process is so relaxing. Alright guys, one more thing very important. Since you are doing barbecue indoor, it can be a little dangerous, so keep somebody on the side just in case if anything goes wrong. What I did was, me and my wife, we kept a lookout on the floor if anything was falling or anything. And then I have a exhaust fan, so there's quite a lot of smoke came out, but it was all good because the exhaust fan took everything out. Other than that, we didn't have any other issue. And I didn't want to put it anywhere. I left it on top of my stove, and I didn't have any problem, no heat falling or no coals are flaming up or anything like that. Remember guys, I didn't use any oil during this process because oil creates so much smoke and it can be dangerous. It doesn't matter what kind of oil you use, it can be dangerous. So now I'm just putting them on top of the barbecue. Now let's go check it out over there. So this is how it looks. If you guys could see, there's heat. I tried to do it only one side. as time went by, the coal was coming slowly to the other side. You always want to keep doing that because you don't want to have too much fire. If you have too much fire, you will burn the meat, and the meat will taste like crap. I mean, I don't know how much crap tastes, but I'm just saying it will taste burnt and bitter. In the meantime, what I was doing is I was just checking to see how the process was going, if it was burning or not, and every 2 to 3 minutes I was flipping them. You see it's flaming up because the oil from the meat at the beginning, it falls, and you definitely want to keep a lookout for that because you don't want to flame up so much. It can be dangerous. Like I said, this is my first time doing it in my house. I never did it. I'm telling you, this was one of the most best experience I ever had in my house with doing this barbecue. Yes, my mom was yelling at me because of the smoke, but other than that, you know, when she eats it, everything goes back to normal. Because it tastes really good. Well, guys, right now I'm putting the chickens in the sheik also. So this is, you see, the fire is pretty good right now. The heat is better than I thought it would be, and the smell is amazing. And I'm telling you guys, if you don't use any meat tenderizer, it's great. Use something natural. Don't buy from the grocery store thinking that it will tenderize the meat so good. But if you use papaya, I am guaranteeing you that this meat will turn soft, and it will be like butter. I didn't use it for chicken because people don't want to use papaya for chicken. It will mess up the chicken because chicken has like very stringy texture after it cooks, but beef is just softens up so good that it's 110% better if you use it for that. So right now I just move the heat around. Guys, always play around with the heat a little bit because you don't want to burn your meat. You can see the chars are coming on. Oh, it smells so good, so good, so good. And guys, I only used the charcoal once. I didn't put any other charcoal after that. Also in the side, you guys can see it's I have potatoes. So it's back home. We have this thing that after the sheik there is always potatoes, and on top of that there's some kind of sauce they use, a very spicy one, to give a very distinct flavor. So I'm gonna use green sauce. Oh yeah, this is the exhaust fan I was using. Getting all this. You guys notice that during the whole video I'm making, I don't have so much smoke on the video or anything like that because I'm using exhaust fan and I didn't use that much oil. So this is my last product. So it just looks amazing, and the potato is so crispy from the outside. And I never did a taste test before on the video, but today I'm just gonna try it, see how it came out. And guys, it tastes, yeah, I mean, I'm speechless. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is good. Guys, it's amazing how it tastes. It just falls off cheap like it's amazing. Oh yeah, if you guys are wondering where is all those wells ever came from, we had a party 2 days ago.